Snail Truck was founded in 2016 and operates on a site covering more than 1 million square meters. The company records over 70,000 vehicle transactions and 10,000 vehicle export transactions annually, with an annual export value of $200 million, is the largest used truck export enterprise of China. We specialize in dump trucks, tractor trucks, cargo trucks, water tankers, mixer trucks, and special purpose vehicles in a full range of truck vehicle types, covering Sinotruk, Shakman, Jiefang, Alman, and other selected vehicle brands. With an inventory of over 1,500 vehicles by each type, sufficiently supplying our customers domestically and overseas with multiple purchase choices. Snail Truck has a high-tech remanufacturing factory and advanced produce lines run by a series of strict process flow and quality control system. The factory has built up meticulous disassembly, ultrasonic cleaning, inspection, component remanufacturing, vehicle assembly, as well as other functional workshops and partitions with high standards, among which the engine, transmission, axle, cab, chassis, and other key components could be thoroughly remanufactured. Remanufactured trucks finished with standardized assembly will undergo strict road test and final vehicle inspection, in turn to ensure each of them meets the new vehicle standards on every core component such as safety, power, handling, stability, and overall vehicle condition, in adhering with our factory quality commitment: new truck quality at used truck prices. The rule of sincere service and customer first is strictly followed throughout every stage of transactions and after-sales support. We insist on advanced craftsmanship on each procedure to make affordable remanufactured trucks to ensure our customer with a significantly increased vehicle at a lower prices. Meanwhile, relying on our professional transaction and after-sales supportive system, we provide our customers with long-term services including streamlined settlement, rapid customs clearance, professional international logistics, and round-the-clock remote technical supports. With the deep care and assistance from related departments of Chinese governments, the business model of Snail Truck is becoming increasingly mature. Trade scale and international credibility has been gradually improved. Marketing capabilities have been significantly enhanced. A stable trade network has been strongly built up on more than 110 countries and regions across Africa, Middle East and Central Asia, Southeast Asia, South Asia, and South America. Within years, Snail Truck has been successively recognized with numerous qualifications and honors, including China's first batch of used vehicle export pilot enterprises, China Customs AEO Advanced Certified Enterprise, MIIT Certified Enterprise for the remanufacturing of mechanical and electrical products, National Service Industry Standardization Pilot Enterprise, Key Cross-Border E-Commerce Brand Enterprise of Shandong Province, Dual Circulation Trade Pilot Enterprise of Shandong Province, leading and participating in the formulation of China's quality requirements for used commercial vehicle and trailer export, China's technical specification of used commercial vehicle appraisal and evaluation, China's specifications for used vehicles export renewal services, and China's specification for the construction of used car export base. As the chairman unit of Shandong Used Auto Exporting Association, Snail Truck has been continuously led the entire industry toward high-quality development. Every advanced enterprise needs to confront with its own path to the future. As our company's global development accelerates, we have every reason to anticipate and are willingly to strive for this vehicle remanufacturing career to eventually ensure that every customer in the world will be accessed with a reliable,
high-quality, remanufactured truck.